You are now watching Fresh Rex TV.
Yo, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a new video on my FK Type R. I know it's been a little while since I've done some updates or, new things to the car, honestly. A little bit of things I've actually done, as you can tell right off the bat. Mugen skirts. But today we're here at Kinney's Mufflers, right here on Roof Snow. My homie here that works here, Jesus, aka Jesus, he's gonna be doing some exhaust work. Actually just picked up a new to me used exhaust off of the marketplace, of course. Snatched it for a real good deal. I'll show you guys it right here. It's a HKS LEGAMAX, of course, by the title. Cleaned it up as best as I can. I love the burnt tips right there. Of course, it fits real good inside the Type R. I actually got some new tail lights too. Shout out to Van on those. Yeah, the car's sitting real pretty. Actually been wanting to switch up the tone, the exhaust. Hopefully not as much drone. Even though, with the catless downpipe that I have, that's kind of hard to get away from. But we're definitely going to do a install video for you guys. And can't wait. I'm super excited to see how it's going to sound. Hopefully it sounds a lot more aggressive, I'm pretty sure, and probably a lot more toned down, to be honest, but we'll see the results. I'm excited. Currently running the Gretty SP. A lot of drone, I would say, on that, but I'm kind of been switching it up, like I said, for a good minute now, but luckily we're about to do that now. Shout outs to everyone watching, everyone out there with the Type R's, FK8s. Shout outs to everyone out there. Currently in love with the way it looks right now, to be honest. Maybe little things I want to switch up, but that'll be for future videos. But we're about to get to the install here. We're next in line. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Shout outs to all the new subscribers. Let's get into it. Alright, we got it in the shop, unloaded the exhaust already. Other pieces over there. Yeah, it's been a while since I've been wanting to switch this up. Nothing against the exhaust I have currently, but definitely want a new sound. As you guys could tell by that sound clip, let's hope it sounds a lot more different, which I'm sure it will. It's always cool to see your car on the lift.
because I'm dropping my trunk off on the 14th to get down. I was like, nah, bro, you have to have it done before for the tune way. What the fuck? Go get that shit done. I was like, alright. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Then I get to do that, man. Pick it up to the camp when I get back from Mexico. This one might have to pick it up, so I drive it before. Like I said, I want to lift it off like that. That shit was right now it's 3 inches or 4 or 2.
A quick look of the old one, Gritty SP. Had to take it apart, but kind of cool seeing it all as one piece.
Yeah, we go at 5. At 5 is chill too. The only thing that was
it is. Pretty much all complete. Everything's buttoned up. All the bolts are tightened up. Made sure. Should be just about ready to turn it on. That came out real nice. HKS. Can't wait to see how it sounds. We're just putting on the final touches real fast. We should be ready to let it fire here soon. Excited to see how much does the sound change, but we shall find out shortly. It does look real different, like those burnt titanium tips.
How you liking the new stuff?
Alright, here we go. No, I got it. Here we go, time to drop it down. Everything's been all installed. So far I love the way it looks. Real different compared to my Gretty. But I love how the HKS looks. About to see how it sounds. Yeah, it looks real different, real good. Cleaned it up as best as we could. Looks kind of almost new actually now. Made sure everything was tightened down. Hopefully no leaks, but we should be good. Yeah, it looks real different from behind, no diddy. Super cool. All right, here it is. Everything's wrapped up. I'm sure you guys heard the sound clips, the before and after. Truly, really love how it sounds. Honestly, it tamed it down quite a bit. It's a lot more quieter, I guess you could say. But overall, I'm very impressed, happy. Shout outs to Kenny's Mufflers. Shout outs to Jesus that works here. Truly, truly happy on the results. Shout out my boy Luigi right there. He was the one behind the camera helping me out, shooting some B-roll for me as well. Super talented with the video. A lot of behind the scenes we shot, just kind of doing different stuff for you guys. But a lot more updates on this thing. I'm happy to bring it back on the channel. I know it's been a little minute now since I've done some videos, but I definitely got some more stuff planned for it, and we're definitely going to keep upgrading it. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Here's a quick little look of their inside of their shop. Lots of cool stuff they got, lots of variety. If you guys ever need some muffler work done, definitely pull up here to Kenny's Muffler. I mean, they're pretty known in the game for sure. I mean, they've been doing it for years. Lots and lots of cool stuff. Flowmaster, MagnaFlows. They got just about everything. Definitely they took care of me. They'll definitely take care of anyone that comes here. They do fully custom to any kind of car you have. Import, hot rod, doesn't matter, low rider. They'll definitely make something custom for you. But shout out once again, Kenny's Muffler, right here on Roof Snow. Truly impressed with the overall work and satisfaction to customer service. And I can't wait for you guys to watch the video and enjoy it. Like, comment, and subscribe as always. Thank you guys so much for the support. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.